Good morning, students. Today we start with the topic potential difference. Write down potential difference. टॉपिक स्टार्ट करने से पहले बच्चे एग्जांपल लेते हैं. व्हेन यू स्विच ऑन द बल्ब विल ग्लो मीन्स टू से दैट उस केस में क्या हुआ जब आपने स्विच ऑन कर दिया, चार्ज मूव करने लग गया और चार्ज फ्लो करने लग गया. दैट्स व्हाई बल्ब विल ग्लो. But question arise that what makes the electric charge what makes the electric charge to flow. Let us clear with the example. If we compare it with the flow of water, you know that water does not flow in a perfectly horizontal tube. In that case, one point और जो ट्यूब का वन पॉइंट है that is connected with the water tank that is kept at higher level. Second point उसका उससे lower होता है. So that creates the pressure difference and water will flow. Now same case here है बेटा कि electric charge flow क्यों करता है. That is there is a difference of electric pressure. There is a difference of electric pressure or that is called potential difference. That is called potential difference. अब बच्चे बात आती है इसकी डेफिनेशन की. राइट डाउन डेफिनेशन. work done to move a charge from one point to another. Work done to move a charge from one point to another. That is V is equal to W by Q. Where symbols have their usual meaning, potential difference is denoted by V. W is work done. W is work done. And Q is charge. अब बच्चे बात आती है इसकी यूनिट की. यूनिट ऑफ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. यूनिट ऑफ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. Unit of potential difference is volt. From here we define 1 volt. 1 volt is equal to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. Here beta unit of work done is joule. साइड पे मेंशन कर लो आप. यूनिट ऑफ work done is joule and unit of charge is coulomb. So here we write unit of work done, that is joule, and unit of charge, that is coulomb. From here you can derive the definition of 1 volt. Now note down बच्चे, then we write the definition of 1 volt. Note down. Okay, fine. Now beta 1 volt is equal to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. So definition of 1 volt, write down definition of 1 volt. From here you can define 1 volt. When 1 joule of work is done, when 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb. When 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb, that potential difference is called 1 volt. Note down बच्चे. Now बेटा for numerical purpose पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस का फॉर्मूला आपके पास है V is equal to W by Q and unit of potential difference you know that 1 volt. From here you can derive two more formulas, that is W is equal to VQ. VQ, that is Q replaced to those sides. If you find out Q, then formula is W by V. In this case Q in the place of V and V in the place of Q. These are the formulas for the numerical purpose. Now बच्चे क्वेश्चन अराइज होता है numerical, that is if work done is 2 joule to move a charge of 1 coulomb, then what is the potential difference? Then what is the potential difference? न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करने से पहले बच्चे you have to write down the given values. गिवन वैल्यूज में क्या है? वर्क डन 2 जूल, दैट इज W is equal to 2 जूल एंड चार्ज दैट इज 1 कूलम, Q is equal to 1 कूलम. नाउ जो आपको फाइंड आउट करना है दैट इज पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, सो V is equal to question mark. Now you have to apply the formula, that is V is equal to W by Q. Put the values. V is equal to W2 Q1. You get the answer, that is potential difference is 2 volt. So V is equal to 2 volt. Note down बच्चे. ओके फाइन। नाउ बेटा अगर वैल्यू दी हो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस की, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस दैट इज इक्वल टू 5 वोल्ट, चार्ज Q that is equal to 2 coulomb. You have to find the work done W. Then W is equal to VQ. You can directly apply the formula. V की value that is 5 into 2. Charge की value that is 2 coulomb. You get the answer. W is equal to 10 joule. सेकेंड केस बच्चे Q is equal to W by V. In this case अगर वर्क डन की वैल्यू गिवन है, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस की गिवन है, you have to apply then this formula. Suppose take the example W is equal to 2 joule, V is equal to 3 volt. Q is equal to क्या है बेटा, that is W by V, 2 by 3. Answer is 0.36 था, 18 against 6 that is continue. चार्ज क्या आ गया 0.66 और अप्रोक्सीमेटली आप क्या ले सकते हो 0.67 कूलम। जिस फिजिकल क्वांटिटी की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर रहे हो बेटा, उसके साथ उसका ही यूनिट अप्लाई करना है इन द एंड. इफ यू डू नॉट अप्लाई द यूनिट ऑफ दैट फिजिकल क्वांटिटी देन हाफ मार्क्स इज कट ऑफ. सो टेक केयर अबाउट दिस. नोट डाउन बच्चे. ओके फाइन बच्चे. ना बच्चे बात आती है इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल की. In this case the definition is work done to move a charge from one point to infinity. In case of potential difference, that is one point to another point. Only the difference is here that we put one point to infinity. So this is the definition of electric potential. Now beta, you already know about the term electric current. Or simply current. Symbol is I. And potential difference that is V. Now the instrument that are used to measure electric current, that is ammeter. That is ammeter. An instrument that is used to measure potential difference, that is your voltmeter. Voltmeter. Ammeter has low resistance. It has low resistance. On the other hand, this has high resistance. This has high resistance. Ammeter is always connected in series and voltmeter that is always connected in पैरेलल. सीरीज और पैरेलल बच्चे अभी इतना ही लर्न कर लो, इसके बाद इसका कॉन्सेप्ट डिटेल में आएगा. On the other hand, symbol for ammeter is this one, and symbol for voltmeter that is this one. Note down बच्चे. Okay, fine. Now some questions are there on the basis of potential difference. Some questions are there on the basis of potential difference. That is first question. Name a device. Name a device that helps to maintain potential difference. Answer is a cell or battery. A cell or battery. Battery is called combination of cells. Combination of cell. Note down बच्चे. Second question. What is meant by saying that potential difference is 1 volt? Potential difference is 1 volt. So here you define 1 volt. Basically question is that you define 1 volt, not the definition of potential difference. So answer is 1 volt is equal to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. So here when 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb, that potential difference is said to be 1 volt. You already done this before this written. नोट डाउन बच्चे। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है बच्चे, हाउ मच एनर्जी, हाउ मच एनर्जी is given to each coulomb of charge, to each coulomb of charge through a 6-volt battery, 6-volt battery. In this case, how much energy? So you have to find W first of all. Given to each coulomb means to say that charge की वैल्यू क्या होगी बेटा? That is Q is equal to 1 coulomb. Through a 6-volt battery, potential difference is 6 volt. Now you know that V is equal to W by Q. From here W is equal to क्या आ गया बच्चे? That is equal to VQ. W is equal to VQ. Put the values. W is equal to, potential difference is 6, charge is 1 coulomb, that is W is equal to your 6 joule. So that much work or that much energy is required to move a charge of 1 coulomb through a 6-volt battery. Note down beta. Okay. Next question है बेटा, how much work is done, how much work is done to move a charge of 2 coulomb across 2 points, having potential difference 12 volt. Now write down the given values बच्चे. Answer is V is equal to 12 volt and charge, that is Q, 2 coulomb. You have to find W. Now you have the formula V is equal to W by Q. So from here you get W is equal to V Q. Put the values. V is equal to 12 volt and charge is equal to 2 coulomb. That is 12 2s are 24. So you get W is equal to 24 joule. That one is the answer. Note down बच्चे. Fine बेटा. Next topic, that is Ohm's law. Ohm's law. We discuss it in the next lecture beta. So just go through it, and if you like my lecture then please like, share and subscribe Prosperous Academy. That is my channel name. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you very much beta.